Here we have a 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado. Don't get overcharged for these quick and easy fixes that you can do yourself. Let's start with wiper blades. Wiper blades are sometimes overlooked until it's raining or snowing and you really need them. So double check the blades, see if the blade ends are starting to fray, and then they need to be replaced. On this vehicle, it's fairly easy. Just push down the two tabs and slide it out. To reinstall it, do the same in reverse. Driver's side's the same as the passenger side. Your air filter, your engine's gotta breathe, right? Well, you don't want a dirty air filter causing poor fuel economy or potentially other problems down the road. The air filter box is located right here on the passenger side. It's fairly easy to do. There's 4 screws that hold it down. Slide the box up, take the old filter out, put the new one in, you're good to go. The headlights. You may have foggy headlights or even broken headlights and they gotta be replaced. Well, don't get intimidated. They're pretty easy to do. You just take this panel off right here and the front grille. There's a couple of screws up on top, screw underneath the fender well, and the headlight slides right out. Taillights are even easier. You pull the tailgate down, there's 2 screws holding those taillights on, take those screws out, pull the light straight back, put the new one on, put the screws back in, close the gate, you're all set. A serpentine belt. Now it's a little bit more complicated than some of the other repairs, but it's still fairly easy, especially on this car, it's all wide open. Loosen up the worm clamps, just use a straight blade screwdriver. You can take this right off. If there was a cover here, just slide that cover up and out. Take that out of the way, then everything's wide open. On these vehicles, they didn't even have a mechanical fan, so you have the electric fan, so there's a lot of room. Map out where the belt goes before you take it off. You could even draw a little map, and it goes underneath the idler right here, over the alternator, underneath the power steering pump, back over the water pump, and then down near the crank pulley, and then up to the tensioner. The tensioner, you can use a 15mm wrench if you want, or even a 15mm socket with a breaker bar. You don't even need any special tools, which makes it really nice. Tire rotation, there's no parts involved, so all it is labor. You can do this yourself and save yourself a lot of money. You don't want your tires wearing out unevenly. You want them all wearing down at the same time. You don't want to have to buy 2 tires and then down the road have to buy 2 more. You want to buy 4 at a time. It's going to save you money. The best way to do this on this vehicle would be to cross-rotate them. Take the driver's side front tire and put it on the passenger side rear tire. Take that passenger side rear tire and put it on the driver's side front tire. Take the driver's side rear tire and put it on the passenger side front. Take the passenger front tire and put it on the driver's side rear. But if you don't have the ability to raise the entire vehicle up all 4 wheels off the ground, just rotating them front to back is better than nothing. There's some fixes that are gonna save you hundreds of dollars over time on your Chevy Silverado. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.